What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nanu Garage. Right now we're about to swing the Tesla Plaid. It's gonna be so fun. Put in the drift mode, put that drift mode to use, but we got the whole entire squad that pulled up, rolling deep. We got super stock Umin with his new bags looking super clean. Panda finally got his car back, and yeah, that's putting my car to shame because look, it looks like a monster truck. Deepu in his cord still doesn't have the Terminator back because it's still blown, but it's getting built and it's gonna be better than ever. And then we got the M3 CS right over here that you saw in the vlog from Monterey while we're at that gas station with Stradman. Got the whole squad right up here. Let's go ahead and hop up in the Plaid, go to Mexico, go swing this shit, and we'll see what we get into. Here in Mexico with the squad, we're ready.
Baby, I'm back. You already know round 2. We about to swing.
Hell yeah. So we're about to actually swing it right now. It is out in the track mode.
You about to swing it. Swing it.
Swing it. All right, so this thing's out in the track mode and it's in gonna be in full rear wheel drive. Woo! Shout out 6 stance. Shout out 6 speed. Hey, where's 6 stance Summit? Oh, what's up, bro? Pushing P. Pushing P. All right. So let's go ahead and hop up in here. So we got it in the full 100% in the back. Track mode, stability assist at 0.
Negative 10, bro.
Or negative 10, yeah.
So it's
and regenerative braking still on. All right, you ready?
Yes, sir. Born ready. Smoky, bro. This thing swings so quick though. You already know, you boy got bars too.
Oh my god, bro, look at those donut marks too. That feels insane when you're inside of this thing. The power is immense. So like once it actually breaks loose, you can tell the electronics are still on here, but when it does break loose, it breaks loose and it just shreds these tires, bro.
Pretty fun. It's not like the Shelby, but you know,
it's not like the Shelby. It's crazy though. It's crazy though. It kind of sucks swinging with this thing because you don't have it at the top of your wheel, so that really like affects it. And then you have regenerative braking, so I guess, what is it like swinging this thing?
Half of the time you're not grabbing shit. Like in the video, you can literally see me looking for something to grab.
Yeah.
But when you do get it going, you gotta be super careful because it's super kicky. Like I could feel the wheel wanting to just go the other way.
Yeah.
Smack into something. You gotta have a little bit of skill and you gotta know what you're doing.
Yeah, yeah. You definitely do have to have skill to do it because it's not like a traditional gas car. Dump the clutch, turn it in, feather the gas, feather the gas. Like this thing, you floor it, it doesn't break loose. You floor it, it finally breaks loose because I feel like the traction control is obviously still heavily on because it didn't break loose like that. 1,000 of the rear wheels in an electric motor car, it would break loose like this if it actually was fully off. But this thing took a little bit to get it off. And once it breaks loose and it's absolutely nuts. As you can see from right over here, we're in that track mode in the Swing Boy setting, which is handling balance all the way rear, stability assist negative 10, regenerative braking at 100%. I'm curious what happens if we turn regen down, but once the GPS detects that this thing's fully spun around and starts rolling back, it actually cuts power and starts stopping for you so you don't fully roll back like in a traditional gas car where you stay on the gas and you're staying to gas it. But this thing is just nuts. Yoke steering wheel, it's so smooth when you're swinging it too. What do you think of that, Omen? Why you look so tired, man?
That's crazy, bro. shock, super firm to handle. I'm not used to these E-muscle cars.
E-muscle cars. How you feel about that?
It's cool. I mean,
It's
the
cool?
Shelby's definitely easier to swing, but this shit
I mean,
fun
you
for
got the
sure.
best of both worlds right now, man. You got the
Yes, sir.
Shelby, which is super slow, and then this is that's just super fast.
Yeah.
But Shelby's more of an experienced car. What'd you think of that, Harbin?
That was sick. That was pretty sick.
Sick?
I was spinning.
Sick? All right, we got the M3 CS about to swing right now.
I got no bars, by the way.
You got no bars? It's all right, bro. It's all right. Oh, Deepu Singh. Well, I guess people out here in Mexico call the cops too. Well, damn, that was a dope day out here in Mexico. That was just nuts. Got the cops called on us. That's how we know we're doing it right. So Mexican PD might pull up.
It's too loud. Car's too loud.
Yeah, the car's just too loud. It attracts too much attention, I guess. But that was fun. Proper fun in the Plaid. This thing's nuts the way it swings. It's so fast. I have another video with the Plaid of us just ripping it. So make sure you guys go check that out. Click on the pop-up banner. Go check it out. Go follow my boy Matab on IG right now.
Yes, sir.
At @sick_plaid. Whew, this thing is just so much fun. He deserves a follow. Absolute bars. And it seems scary though. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
It cuts power. Like,
Yeah, it cuts a lot of power.
Kick it around, the car's like computers basically kick in and just have me roll back.
Yeah, it
like,
just keeps on cutting power
You
and
can't get a
stuff.
full, like you can't get a full-on swing session. It's
Yeah.
kind of like a donut or two, and then like it's done.
I guess if it's 1,000 horsepower and it's actually fully off, I think it would be too
Yeah,
much.
and I also
but
watched
if
a
it's
YouTube video.
if it's able to be 600 horsepower, like they limit how much power it
Yeah.
is, so it still gets sideways. It slightly starts feeding it more and more. I guess that's what they tried to do, but it's just it cuts out on the worst times.
Yeah, but
sometimes,
600
dude.
horsepower for this thing weighs 5,000 pounds. It's not gonna work well.
Yeah, I think it's just, I don't know, it's cool, the mode. I feel like it needs a little bit more revision, would you say, right?
Yeah, a little bit more.
It feels like it just cuts out in kind of like some bad times, which makes it sketchy, especially given you have to act fast when it cuts out and you have a freaking yoke as your steering wheel.
You're grabbing
you don't even
nothing
have,
half the
yeah,
time.
you're grabbing nothing half the time. But anyways, cool fun out in the Tesla Plaid. Go check out the other videos. We're on the way to meet up with the homie Hello I'm Jensen to go do a video of him swinging it with him. So make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a cargo, call the cops, boy. AK on dead, money start to drop, boy. I'm Virginia beat down, Saridinha street down. They tryna lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy.